Hi, in front of me I have new Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold middle button to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on adjust brightness, and here we can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the different brightness levels. Select the one you like and then tap on it to apply it, like this. Now let's bring it back to something more visible, for example 4. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.